How to replace the lid gasket in the USV32 Chamber Vacuum Sealer. After a lot of use, your gasket can become compressed and worn, and you may not be forming a good seal between the lid and the chamber, so replacing the gasket might become necessary. A spare gasket comes with your USV32, making it easy to swap out. All you have to do is start at one side of the gasket, pull it out of the channel all the way around. Make sure you pay attention to the direction of the gasket and that the fin is facing outwards on the gasket. Once you have your replacement gasket, it's important that you install it in the proper direction. The flat edge of the gasket should be facing down in the channel, and then this fin should be facing outwards. Starting at one corner, press the bottom edge of the gasket into the channel and then slowly work your way all the way around the vacuum channel, pressing it in. Be sure not to overly stretch the gasket so you don't have too much excess when you get to the end. Just press it in all the way around. Make sure that it's not overly compressed and you have a good, that fin is facing up all the way around. And then once you've got it all the way installed, you'll want to go ahead and run a test vacuum cycle and check the vacuum gauge to ensure that you're pulling a vacuum.